Hi everyone. I just wanted to give a little tour of the finally cleaned up PTA closet. So if you had been in here in the last couple of years, you probably couldn't move. This whole floor was covered and stacked with bins, and honestly, it just wasn't very functional. And so we've worked really, really hard. A huge shout out and thank you to Teresa Wong for coming in several times and helping get this organized. And thank you to the PTA for purchasing these new racks that we've got. So hopefully people can actually get to their items. I know if you're like me, you've probably purchased brand new because you were a little scared to dive in here. So hopefully now it's easier for people to get to the things they're looking for. This side to the right when you come into the closet is mostly committee supplies. So there's Go Green, Art Appreciation, 5th grade celebration, Spirit Wears up here, Staff Appreciation. I can't remember what's in that big boy up there. And then down here, there's general room parent supplies. So there's a bin for class party supplies, craft supplies, decoration supplies. So come check these out before you go out and buy new, because generally the leftovers end up coming in and they're getting quite full. So let's save some money and use what we have. And then this whole section is pancake breakfast and food related supplies. So look at these cups, you guys. We have like years worth of cups. This whole bin. These are cups, these are cups, these are cups. These are Dixie size small cups. The whole entire bin is filled with them. So definitely check here before purchasing new for anything. The rest of this wall is primarily Explore More Day. And then over here we have Fun Run on the bottom, the big bottom shelf there. And then Trivia Night is in the middle. And then this shelf is mostly Winter Carnival, which we're still deciding if we continue to do or not, but we'll be able to have that shelf back if we decide to discontinue that kind of permanently. Multicultural Day bins and supplies over here. On this side, I wanted to show you guys, if you do have to put in a new box or if for whatever reason you need to label something, it's so easy. There's a little bag right here. Just take out a card. There's a permanent marker. There's tape. And you can just label your items so that it's easy to find for next time. Please, 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 let's be accountable and not just drop things off in the room. Over here, we went through all of the bins and found all of this Scotch tape and all of these scissors and all of these glue sticks. There's a bunch of masking tape there. This is a whole bin of markers and crayons. So again, before you go out and buy anything, come check here. Easy to grab. These 3 shelves, I think, are all old documentation that will probably be able to go. So we'll hopefully have some more space as we keep working through things, but it's so much better than it was before. And I really, really hope that we can all work hard to keep it this way. Thank you.